What's up, everybody? This is Sam Lesher. I am the owner of Cape Fear Collectibles and a longtime TCG Sync user. And today we're going to be going over the auto pricing features on TCG Sync, which were very intuitive, very in-depth, allows you to really, is deep down as you want to get. You can finely tune how your auto pricing works with, which is a great feature. So once you're on your dashboard, you want to go over to auto pricing. The first thing we're going to go over is the price type preference. These are all from TCG Player. They should probably be familiar with if you're based in the US. There's low price, market price, mid price, high price. Now you can arrange these however you want. Whatever is at the top, that is what your default pricing is going to be taken from. So for us, we like to use low price. Then also, as they go down, there is a fallback. So if there's no low price available, it'll try to find a market price, mid price, high price. So the way these are arranged does matter. So if for whatever reason after low price you want mid price instead of market, you can put that there, save your settings. And again, if it can't find a low price, it will look for mid, market, high in that order. Next up is the default price settings, which is also an important and great feature. They have near mint, lightly played, moderately played, heavily played, damaged. And what these percentages indicate is if it's at 100%, it's going to not modify whatever the price is that you have selected up here. So if the low price for a card is $1, I have it at 100%, it's going to auto price that card as $1. If for whatever reason, maybe you want to cover like TCG fees, you can make that like 113, and then it'll price the card that's $1 and add 13% to that total. And it'll price it in your inventory that way, and so on and so forth for lightly played, moderately played, heavily, and damaged. The minimum price is also very important. This is puts a stop at whatever price you set this set, so that nothing will be priced lower than whatever this number is here. So say if you don't want any of your cards priced lower than 25 cents, you can put 25 in there, and it will make sure that even if a card on TCG low that's like a penny, it'll make it 25 cents. This is great to modify. Like right now we have a ton of bulk cards in our system that aren't moving, and instead of just manually removing them and making space, we just set it at 0.2 and clear out a lot of inventory, which is great. Once all the settings are the way you want, you can hit save default settings, and that will take the auto pricing will update all your stuff based on the settings you put in here. SKU ID, this is something you can turn on if you want. Obviously you can read, so you can read this. I will give you another explanation on that. SKU ID basically is pricing where we get the trend prices individually per variant, not per product. So this takes into account trending prices. It can be good when like a new set drops. That's generally when I turn that on. But generally I don't use this, but it is an option. You can mess around with it and see if that's something you'd like to use. Enable price rounding is nice. Little setting if you want to use this. Basically, whatever you put these thresholds at, it'll round to that number. So say you have 49 here and a card's priced at $1.47, it'll just round it to 49. If a card's priced at $1.57, it'll round it to $1.99. So you can mess around with that, see if that's something you're interested in. Nice little extra feature. Down here, the price comparison settings. This is a nice little feature if you want to use whatever price is higher between any of these tiers, low, market, mid, or high. So if you have this turned on, it'll look at the low price and the market price, and whatever one's higher, that is the one that it will use. obviously, if you use TCG Player, I think one of the big differences that if you're using market price for your default pricing, you would want maybe to add a price pair of market to low price, because sometimes the market price will be whatever $8, but the actual low price is 10. So you want to make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck when it comes to that stuff. Down here, there's price modifiers. This is basically the same as up here with the default pricing, except for conditioning. It's based on the price tiers. So if you want to increase any of these by any percentage, you can put that in here, save, and it will auto update your prices. So like obviously you can read, which is nice. Most of the stuff here, there's little explanations when you hover over. So it kind of helps with all that. And then there's also game specific minimum prices if you want to do that. So you can add a game. Excuse me. Select a game first. Let's do One Piece. They just came out. You can add that. If you want to do print type minimums, if you want a minimum on, say, like foils, if you want a minimum of like 25 cents on foils, you can add that, or normal. Rarity minimums is another one you can do. You can select a rarity, say your rares, you just want to have them at 25 cents no matter what. You can add them down here, save game settings, and it will automatically price everything that's under 25 cents that's a rare to 25 cents. Obviously, it won't affect stuff that's over 25 cents. But like you can see, there's some really powerful tools you can use, and you can really dive in and fine tune and tweak your pricing rules however you want, which is great because some people want some things a certain way, some people want them others. It gives you the flexibility to price how you would like. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to hop on the TCG Discord. We'll have a invite link in the description. We're always running deals on signups, so check it out for first-time users. And there's also technical support in there. If you have any questions about anything, you can also drop a comment if you have a question about how something works. But anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to sign up.